You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to enable glide typing on your Samsung phone. Glide typing allows you to slide your finger across the keyboard to type. First, open any app that uses the keyboard like Messages. Tap to bring up the keyboard. Tap the gear icon or the three dots on the keyboard toolbar to open Settings. If you don't see it, press and hold the comma or microphone key. Select Keyboard Settings or Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap on Smart Typing or Typing. Look for Glide Typing or Keyboard Swipe. Toggle the switch to the on position. You can also adjust the speed and sensitivity in the glide typing settings. Another method is to go to your phone's main settings app. Tap on General Management. Tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Tap on Smart Typing. Toggle on Keyboard Swipe. Now you can glide your finger from letter to form words. Lift your finger to insert a space and continue. This feature works with both the Samsung keyboard and GoBird. If you use GoBird, open its settings by long pressing the comma key. Tap the gear icon, go to Glide Typing, and toggle it on. Practice makes perfect with glide typing. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.